Hello everyone, and welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to make the light leak transition. And firstly what you have to do is go to Element Envato and download your transition pack and footage that you want to put transition on. I will put a link on everything down in the description below. So let's get started. Firstly you have to drag down the footages on the timeline. After that what you need to do is open the light leak transition pack and choose a transition that you find interesting. I will use transition 1. Next what you have to do is go to compositing and change the blending mode to screen. Now you should find the white spot in the transition. Add a marker to it. And put that in between the two footages. We've created our first transition. And let's create the second one as well. Let's add the transition 5 here. Change the blending mode to screen. Again repeat the process. Put a marker in the white spot and put it in between the two footages. Make a render preview for a smooth playback. And there you go. We've created the light leak transition effect. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel.